Friday, 11:51, 11 seconds, year 2024, 8th month, August 2020, or the 23rd day. And the fucking rain is just fucking coming to fuck down. See all this out here? All the fucking rain is coming down. And the reason why the rain went down is because of these fucking cloud busters out here. See these fucking cloud busters out here? Right there. Anyway, it's fucking raining all over the fucking shit. Just fucking raining up a fucking storm out here. You know, and who really knows why the fuck all this rain is here? I mean, one can just speculate. It's fucking, it's here coming down. It's pounding all over the fucking roof. Just fucking raining up a fucking storm. Coming out the windows. So the brother might as well shut the windows so the fucking rain doesn't, the wind doesn't blow the... Oh, the raindrop a key! Here it is, coming at from this perspective. Just fucking raining up a fucking storm. With fucking hail, a little bit of... It looks like a little bit of hail. It's hard to tell if it's hail or not. There's some thunder and shit. Anyway, brother just wanted to get it on the other side. So might as well just hook the camera back up. Anyway, now it's letting off. It's letting off a little bit now. I just wanted to let off. It's not coming down as hard. But anyway, here's the drips. You know, there's a drip here. The brother located the drip. He was just waiting for the sun, more sun to come out to fix the drips, but obviously more rain wanted to come down before the drips got fixed. So like the brother said, the reason why all this fucking rain's coming in is because these fucking cloud busters right here. The brother just seeding the fuck out of these things lately. With the fucking crystals, the way he's got the crystals positioned, and fucking just spraying them with extra fucking whatever the fuck this shit's called. Fucking silver iodine. Just spraying the fuck out of them. And even though it's been cloudy lately, you know, just still coming out here every fucking evening and fucking having the rainbow fucking, the prayer time with the fucking rainbow meditation. You know, because there's a tendency to want to say, well, it's nice and cool and cloudy out. Why add any more to it? And if you add any more to it, it'd be too much fucking rain and all the other shit. The brother said, fuck that. We're going to fucking put all these fucking fires out. and put some wetness into the ground. We're ain't gonna fucking burn the fucking county down or the state or whatever the fuck, you know, or at least this area. Fuck that shit. And then just kind of leave it at that and see what happens. And then as soon as the brother starts getting on the fucking guitar, all of a sudden all the fucking rain just starts fucking pouring. As soon as the brother got on the fucking guitar. Now that's some shit right there. But brother's pretty much finished with guitar for right now. He just wanted to get that on there. And he's hungry again. He's gonna have another chicken meal and another fucking banana fucking split. All right, later.